In this video, I go dey tell you the tech fields wey we get and their future alternative, so that you as a beginner or you as a professional, you go fit capitalize yourself in some of these future alternative I'm going to list. Because if you don't capitalize yourself in this future alternative, you fit become old glory, you fit become old cargo. So you need to specialize and modernize yourself into the system. Now that AI don come, automation sef don come, so everything don change, everything don change. The way you dey see things now, in the future, the thing go change totally, wey be say you no go even see am again. So now make I list those tech field and their alternative future stack wey be say you need to follow. So if you follow them and you put them in your mind as you are following your own path, you put them in your mind, it's going to help you a lot. So now let's start. Now number one, we have software development. Software development involve people wey be say dem dey build website or dem dey build app. So you know, in the traditional way, for you to build website, for example, you want to build one full stack website, it will take you like 3 months. Some people can use 2 months. So you have to write different code. After writing, you deploy it, you do a lot of testing, you do all those things. So now the AI has come. So the modern world. In the modern world now, there will be little code or no code at all. So in the nearest future, maybe in the nearest 10 years or 20 years, the developers, they will not need to be writing much code. They will only write little code. AI will write little code. They will complete it, modernize it, structure it, and make it look good and applicable to the organization. So once it is now applicable to the organization can now use it, test it, and use it. So that is the way it's going to be in the nearest future. Now, what are the best alternative for that field where you're supposed to embrace? Number one, you need to go or you need to attach AI or machine learning engineering to your skills. So you will say you develop website or app, go and learn AI or machine learning engineering, attach it to your skills, so that thing go scale you up. Number two, devops and cloud engineering. So if you are into web development and you like cloud, you like things on internet, so try to adapt yourself into DevOps and cloud. Like, just go and try to be learning little things about DevOps and cloud engineering, how they operate and how they work. The another thing there is product management. Product management, AI cannot, you understand, cannot predict the way products will go or anything. So you can also learn that. That is number one. That is software development. Now, the second field I'm going to talk about is cybersecurity field. Now, cybersecurity field now, soon AI go dey help us to defend our system. And if AI go dey help us to defend our system, it means we have to build the AI ourselves. You understand? We ourselves, we have to build the AI. So you as a cybersecurity, no limit yourself to just cybersecurity. Try to reason, try to think and say, okay, this cybersecurity stuff I know, can I use it to create an AI checker or AI defense system that would be automatic? Right now, as I'm talking to you, we already have some AI technology that they are using to check the security infrastructure of some payment system, like CyberArk. CyberArk now, one AI wey be say mad gan. This CyberArk, if a breach happen in the system, let's say for example, somebody brute force and enter a particular structure in a payment system, CyberArk go don see and say, okay, this person don enter this place. E go come lock other doors. So e go prevent am to escalate the attack. So the moment e don break into that first system, na there e go remain. E go just cage am there, wey be say e no go fit escalate to other part of the system. So we already have AI that is doing that. So wetin you need to learn as a cybersecurity guy wey you be, now you need to try and master or become a specialist in cloud security engineer. See, cloud security engineer is actually the future. You need to master yourself, like specialize yourself in cloud security engineer or zero trust engineer. So cloud security engineer means those people that use AWS, Azure to secure anything that they put on internet. You understand? So those are the people we call cloud security. Now you also need to learn blockchain security. Yes, that is under crypto. You need to learn how crypto realms, you understand, how crypto platform, how they are secure, so that the payments, you understand, when somebody send Bitcoin to another person to be securely, like nobody will tamper it, all those things, you need to learn them. Then you need to learn threat intelligence and ethical hacking, AI ethical hacking. So you need to learn threat intelligence and AI ethical hacking, meaning that you need to be able to like know how to threat model, how to think, you understand, how to think like an hacker. Threat model, okay, hacker can use this, okay, what can we use to combat it? And you need to learn AI ethical hacking too, because AI ethical hacking simply means that you are going to be building some tools, like some AI tools, you understand, that they can be using to checkmate, to test, to pen test, you understand, some secure some platform, to be sure whether it is secure or not. Like you can build a particular ethical hacking tools, like okay, maybe a particular tools that it can brute force by itself. You understand? So the moment they just put the name of that website login, it's going to brute force sharp sharp. It's going to brute force and test it for brute force. And if it gets, it's going to test like maybe 100 password, 1 million password, 20, more than that. It's going to test. It's going to test for SQL. It's going to test for different kind of things. So you can build that. That is another feature in that aspect. So that is number 2. Now number 3 field I'm going to list is graphic design. Now graphic design, if you are a graphic designer and you are still using CorelDRAW to design and all those things, see, Canva don collect your job. Canva don collect your job. AI don collect your job already. So what you need now is to like advance yourself, advance your career. Try to learn this best alternative. Number 1, go and learn UI and UX product design. Go and learn that. UI and UX product design. UI and UX product design means people that will first design a template for developers to build on, to work on, for a website or app to what to be done. So that is now. Now number 2 is motion graphics design. You need to learn how to design like something that will be in motion, like all this motion stuff, you understand, all these things like animation, all those stuff. So you need to learn how to design that. Then augmented and virtual reality, you need to learn how to create like some platform, some platform require you to what, to be able to create some like some scene, some motion scene, you understand, motion advert, marketing, you understand, that will promote their business. Some people need that, so you need to go and learn how to do those things. So those are for graphic design. Then we have data science and data analytics. You see, data science and data analytics, AI has taken your job already. You understand? Because very soon now there will be no need for manual. You won't need to be analyzing something manually. So you just put it on AI and AI will analyze it and give you real-time results without wasting much time. Within 30 minutes it's done. So it will give you real-time. So you as a data analyst, these are the things that you need to attach to your skills. I'm not saying you should abandon your skills. Attach it to your skills. Number 1, go and learn AI ethics. You understand? So what you need to do is that you need to learn AI ethics in such a way that you go and learn how you can make AI to be unbiased. You can make AI to be what? To be unbiased whenever it is analyzing something. You know, your work deal with analysis, so you need to go and learn how you can make AI to be analyzing something without being biased. You need to learn that. So if you know that very well, you can actually work in a company like OpenAI, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and all that, because they really need people that can actually do that for their stuff. Then machine learning, you need to learn machine learning. You understand how to provide a right information for the machine, how to train a machine, like all this AI model and all that. Then business intelligence and data strategy. Yes, you also need to learn how you can use data analysis. You understand, for business intelligence, like how you can use data analysis to predict future of a business and strategy of a business. Now the 5th one, which is the last one I'm going to talk about in this video, is cloud cloud computing and DevOps. Cloud computing and DevOps too. You understand? Because we don't get serverless in a cloud now. AWS already have serverless server. They already have it. Like a server that will not need any server, that will not need to manage any server. It's just serverless. So it will just work by itself. So Amazon already have that. Azure too, they already have that. That's Microsoft, they already have that. So as the future is going, very soon people will not really need cloud computing. So you as a cloud computing or DevOps, you need to try and push yourself, master this best alternative. Number one, cloud security engineer. You need to learn cloud security engineer. Just try, learn how to secure the cloud. Learn it. Attach to your own skills, because you already understand the cloud. So attach security to your own skills so that it will spin you up ahead of others. Then platform engineering. Yeah, you need to learn how you can engineer the whole platform. How you can draw the complete architecture, flow, how the platform will work, how maybe you are building a payment system, how everything will work. You need to learn how to draw a lot of architecture to do that. Then site reliability engineer, yes, you need to learn this one too. Now, if you notice that out of all what I've listed, cloud security engineer come twice. And it comes twice when I mention cybersecurity and when I also mention cloud computing, which is DevOps. Now, that is the future. That is where you should target. You as a cybersecurity, try to target cloud security. Like, specialize yourself in cloud security. Because if you specialize yourself in cloud security, in fact, you are going to blow in the next 10 years or 5 years. You are going to blow. Because right now, I have some colleagues and some friends, some bosses that are into cloud security engineer. And I won't lie to you, majority of them, they run 2 companies, 3 companies. They are working because there's a shortage of workers. You understand? Majority of them, they are senior, bombarding a lot of senior security engineer, cloud security engineer. They are bombarding them with a lot of work. So if you can actually venture into this and learn it, you master it, go to different source, YouTube, learn it. Or you can also follow my video, because very soon I'll be dropping a lot of crucial video concerning cloud security. A lot. So as I learn your cybersecurity, try to attach cloud security engineer too, because this thing will actually spin you, will actually give you edge. So that's it. And also, cloud security to our future. The future of cloud security is multi-cloud security. Multi-cloud means that you need to learn how to use AWS, Azure to secure one platform. So that is the future. That's the future. Multi-cloud security. That's the future of cloud security. Another feature of cloud security is zero trust. Yes, zero trust. How to build a threat model in such a way that it will be zero trust. No hacker can penetrate such cloud. No hacker can hack it. Zero trust. So how to have that mindset, how to structure it, modernize it, do a threat modeling for that. That is it. Another one there is blockchain security. Yes, crypto. People are actually going into crypto now. So if you can learn blockchain security, you will actually go far. Then AI driving security. Yes, very soon now. Even in the cloud security, they will be using AI. You understand? To build. In fact, Amazon already have what you call EKS and AKS. That is Elastic Kubernetes service and Azure Kubernetes service. So those two, they are already an AI service that can do a lot of operation, that in fact can produce a lot of security tools to a particular system. So those are the fields that we have, and those are their future for now. So go and try to modernize, mastermind yourself in those fields. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly drop a comment. Follow me here. You can also follow me on YouTube at SaliQuest. Just follow me on YouTube and dropping. You can follow me on LinkedIn, SaliQuest. Follow me on TikTok, SaliQuest. So God bless you. Thanks for watching.